Hey everyone, welcome to a brand new video of our series Motorcycle Mysteries and Stories. In this episode, we talk about an iconic brand called the Kinetic Honda. Let's begin.
Now, the Kinetic Honda has to be everyone's absolute childhood favorite brand. The loud OG scooter or Scooty of India is surely in everyone's nostalgic memory. The brand started as a joint venture between Kinetic Engineering Limited in India and the famous Honda Motor Company in Japan. Kinetic was the first company to have a deal with Honda in India. They started manufacturing two-stroke scooters in India, which were revolutionary at the time. The year was 1984 when Kinetic entered the market with their first model called the Kinetic DX. The scooter had a two-stroke 98cc molded engine which produced 7.7 bhp of power at 5600 rpm. The model was based on NH100 by Honda, which was a very successful scooter abroad. This was a premium scooter and a revolutionary vehicle for India at the time. The scooter was gearless and lightweight, was targeted towards older people, women, young teens due to its lightweight nature. The prices were high initially, but the sales were even higher. The space in the front was huge, as kids were often seen standing in the front acting like tiny heroes when adults drove the scooter. It featured in ads, movies, and was seen everywhere in the market. In 1995, the Kinetic Marvel was honored with the Scooter of the Year award by the Indian two-wheeler industry. Although everything was hunky-dory in the beginning, their glory days came to an end quickly. The poor quality of vehicles, decline in sales and demand led to a falling out between the Kinetic Group and the Honda Motor Company. Honda wanted to buy the Kinetic brand stake to enter the Indian market, improve the vehicle quality and introduce technology in two-wheeler sector. Kinetic didn't want to sell its stake to Honda, due to which Honda left the deal and collaborated with Hero Group. As the years passed, Hero-Honda partnership went on to be a success. On the other hand, when Honda left, Kinetic was suddenly faced with the question, what now? Now, Kinetic didn't have any strategy, but they did not give up at first. They aggressively tried to make up for the quality by slashing the prices, promoting their vehicles widely, and gave attractive offers. The quality eventually mattered to the people, and all these enticing offers did not work for the brand. Company product range became limited to only mopeds and scooters, and they were not able to enter the motorcycle arena due to companies such as Hero Honda and TVS Suzuki. The vehicles were more in demand, which led to the dramatic demise of the sales in the Kinetic brand products. To make matters worse for Kinetic, the four-stroke motorcycles took over the Indian market. They had better mileage, smoother engines and better value for money. Although Kinetic tried to dabble in this category as well, but they failed miserably due to the fact that they launched a super expensive bike called the Aquila with Hyosung motors. Aquila was an expensive bike and was not in demand after a while. Hyosung and Kinetic eventually broke off their partnership, which led to a halt in Kinetic's recovery. Kinetic, however, tried till the end. They released the Italiano scooters and Flight, both of which failed miserably. Seeing their beloved company fall, Kinetic management decided to sell their company to Mahindra & Mahindra in 2008. Eventually, the Kinetic name was dropped as it became obsolete in the market. A promising company of the 80s and 90s was eventually shut off. The rise of four-stroke motorcycles combined with their own product failures led to an eventual demise of the Kinetic brand. All said and done, we cannot forget the OG scooter brand, which introduced gearless scooters in India, the highest selling category of the future. It will surely be missed. A fantastic brand
which defined the Indian scooter or two-wheeler landscape.
Now, this was a story of the Kinetic Honda brand name. It's time for us to go. See you in the next.